Guys, finally, I'm unboxing B Essential Edition. Oh my gosh, the post took so damn long. But anyways guys, I'm unboxing these today. So I got them, I pre-ordered them on Weverse. And yeah, so we will have pre-order benefits in here as well. And as you can see in the title, I didn't buy just one, I bought 16. Yeah, because I'm trying to collect OT7. But yeah, let's see if I will pull OT7. I don't know, maybe I will pull OT7, but maybe not, probably not. Yeah, that's a lot, guys. So, I think I will show you one album in detail now, but also just very quick because I bet you saw 1,000 of these unboxings already because I'm very late. And with the rest, I will just show you the photo cards. Guys, why does this look so satisfying? I don't know. Okay guys, the first album. So, and I love the stickers, but it's so sad that they're just on the wrap, on the plastic wrap. I think I will pull that stickers off and stick it onto the album itself later on. So I will save these stickers. Again, me who is not able to open anything in my life. I'm not able to. Okay, so the front is the same as the deluxe version, I believe. And the back. And you can slide it out from both sides, I think, yeah. Ow! Not working. Okay. So this is the CD. I think I like this CD more than the one from the deluxe version because I like simple things. And then the poster. I don't know if I can fit the poster in frame. Wait a second, I will show you. And now for the photo book. Wait, let me put out the photo cards first. Are they upside down? Yeah. Let's look at that later on. Let's look at the photo book first. Oh, I really like these. And guys, I actually called it that there will be another version of this album. I said it in my unboxing for the deluxe version. Check that out if you haven't seen that. I will put the link in the I button if I don't forget. So it's basically the same concept, but I think slightly different pictures. And I love Jimin's room. I love his room the most, I think. It's so pretty. And I actually like this photo book more than the one from the deluxe version. With the one from the deluxe version, oh, that's so cute. Love this. Oh, Hobie Dobie. It's so adorable. I love that picture. Where were I? With the photo book in the deluxe version, I'm always scared that it will fall apart any second. So I like this photo book a lot more. Mr. Kim Taeyang, where can I get these pants? Please tell me, I want to know, I want to have them. And the track list, and all the lyrics. And the thanks to... Sorry guys. Are these the same as in the deluxe version? I don't know, I have to check later on. But they probably will, because I mean it's the same album, it's just another version. And the credits. And that's it for the photo book. So let's move on to all the photo cards. So, wait, that's the Weavers thing. So we have one for each member and the random one, the vertical one. Let's put that aside. And let's look at them first. That is so cute. I love this Hobie PC. This is so cute. And I love Jin's one as well. It's so pretty. And for the random one, who do you guess it is? Let's see. It's Jin! Oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. Okay guys, so let's move on with the other albums. Okay guys, second album. Where is it? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, okay, so that probably will be the group card. And it is! So pretty. Third one! Guys, there's so much to unbox. Oh my gosh.
So much. There we go.
There it is. So, who do you think we got? Maybe Jimin? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ah, Jin again. Okay. That's okay.
And the next one.
It is Yoongi. Oh, that's so pretty. Three, 2, 1. Yoongi again. Okay. Okay, the group one again. I hope I will pull OT7. I hope, but we will see. Ah, it's not good. It's not getting off.
Okay, 6th album. There. Okay, let's see.
3, 2, 1. Jimin! He's so pretty. Okay guys, this is number 8, so we're halfway through. There we go. It is Jin again! Okay. I think I don't will pull OT7. I think I won't. But we still have 8 albums left, so let's stay positive. Are you kidding me, Jin? Are you kidding me? This is the 4th Jin.
Number 10, guys. Number 10. Okay. Who's our lucky number 10?
The group card. Okay.
Next one.
Yoongi again. I said I want to pull OT7, but gosh, no, I won't. No, guys, I won't. I don't have any hopes left. Three, 2, 1. Tay! Ah, that's nice. Okay guys, we have 4 albums left and I need to pull 3 more members. Hobie, JK and Namjoon. Is it one of them? Please, 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 please. Okay. Yoongi again. Please. Please be Namjoon. Yoongi. Damn guys. Okay, no OT7. No OT7, but I can trade them, so it's not a big deal, but it would be nice if I didn't have to. Grip card again. Rip card. And the last album. The last album, guys. The last one.
Okay.
Who is it? Who is it? Please? Tay again. Okay. That's alright. So I think I will clean up now a bit and then I will show you the pre-order stuff. Okay guys, the final photo card results. I got 1 Jimin, 2 Tays, 1, 2, 3, 4 group cards, 4 times Jin, and 5 times Yoongi. Yoongi, Jin, are you trying to tell me something with that? Should I change my bias? Yeah, so now let's move on with the pre-order stuff. Okay, here we are with the pre-order stuff. Let's just look at them. Okay, that's nice. I think I will open... Should I open them? I will open one for you. At least. These are so pretty. Okay, and the next one is Jimin! Jimin again! Woo! Namjoon! Oh, at least I got him here. So, Namjoon is my bias if you don't know. Next one is Jin! Maybe I will pull OT7 in here. That would be cool, that would be nice. Next one. Jimin again. Hobie! Okay, 2 more to go. So, 2 more will left for the OT7 set. Namjoon. Jin. Tae. Tae. Yoongi. Okay, so I'm just missing JK and I have 4 left. Will it be JK? Tae. Jimin. Namjoon, and the last one, please be JK, please. Please be JK. Jimin! JK don't want to move into my binder. he just doesn't want to. He wasn't with the album photo cards and not with the pre-order ones. Yeah, that's sad. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.